So traders, is gold about to make a move to the upside real soon? And I want to share this with you here because there's actually a trading pattern you probably saw on the thumbnail that I want to share with you in this video. And there could be something really big coming up in these markets here. So traders, if you do need some help, first link in the description is access to, or free membership access to, my trading course. Go get access to that, guys. I know you're going to love it. So looking at the markets from here, one thing I've been really noticing when it comes to the gold market is just how much we've been holding here. And there's a few things that tends to happen when I see these markets, right? If we're in a very big bull phase, which we are right now, if we're in a very big bull phase in the markets and we start to go sideways through these periods, that tends to, whenever we do that, whenever we just get these sideways periods, we tend to continue in the same direction of that particular move. So if I bring up, say, this chart right here, and let me take off all the trend lines. And what I mean by that is this, right? Check this out. This is where it gets really cool, right? So we have what? We have the market moving up, and see how, now we're looking at a weekly chart here. Notice how we have this sideways period. We don't get any strong selling, and we have a move to the upside. Market goes up. Then we actually have a movement to this sideways phase through here. Guess what? We just go sideways and we have another move up. Now what is happening right now? We're getting what? We're just getting this sideways phase here, right? We're just holding here. So is this a precursor to more upside to come in gold? Now, if we overlay that, check this out. This is where it gets really cool. I did some trend lines, all right? Funky dunky trend lines, and check out my trend lines here, right? The interesting thing that I'm noticing here is this. Firstly, we actually had a few trend lines here. So let me see if I can go with the line, right? Check this out. So we have that there to that there, right? And we also, if we have that as a parallel trend line, we can see we actually have this whole level coming up through here. And then there's another trend line from here to all through there. Check this out. So this is squeezed up. What we saw just a minute ago was it zoomed in a little bit more, looking at the phases, sideways movements, so on and so forth, right? Now this is where it gets really cool. So we're going sideways here. You can see we actually went really nicely sideways here, and we just broke out. But do you see where we are at right now? Do you see that? We're just what? We're holding here at the top of this channel here. Now, this is where it gets really cool, right? We're holding here. As you can see, it's a breakout, right? Breakout of this channel that's been happening through here. This is where it gets really awesome. What potentially could be coming in gold, if this is a true breakout and we're just holding here before we see another move to the upside, is this. We could see these other trend lines here, okay? There's another trend line coming down through there. But what we can do now, and this is where it gets really awesome, is we can measure the high to the low of the channel. Let's make you a pretty little, let's make you blue. And let's make you real thick. Then we do this here, and then if this is a true breakout where we're gonna hold and then start to make another move, where could this potentially be going to? And if we bring our trend line up to where it actually broke out, now we see, do you see what I see? Now we see we could actually be where? We could be making a move up towards the 3,200 mark based off what we're seeing through here. So this is actually pretty cool. So the first thing I wanted to talk about, which is the sideways movement. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the breakout of this channel here, and it's holding here. And the third thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is indeed that if we do continue holding and we start to see another leg to the upside, 3,200 could be coming real soon. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Traders, if you do need some help, I'm open. I'm about to close down my 12-month coaching program. If you'd like to see more information about my Inner Circle program, what's it about, who am I, all that sort of stuff, then getjohntop.com. You can see my real equity curve. You can see who am I, testimonials, feedback, what's in the coaching program, and all that sort of stuff. Go to getjohntop.com. Go check out all the details right now, guys. And I look forward to speaking to you real soon.